Hello and welcome to another update video about Ripple XRP. We're going to take a look at the Ripple chart with an updated Elliott Wave count. And overall here we can see that today we've moved up very nicely. Overall, in my last video I did already update you that we did hit my target area. That is the target box that I did show you when Ripple XRP was up here. I did believe it would come down into that area. Again, nobody believed it or whatever. And I can always see it, also in the latest Bitcoin video where I give my target levels, and people always say no, it's impossible, but nothing is impossible in the crypto market. So from here we did a massive drop, came into the target area, directly into the middle of it, and anybody who did set any limit orders at the time was able to probably buy here and get this filled, and now is 50% in the green. So that's amazing. Also, in my last update video about Ripple XRP, I think at the time we had already recovered after we hit the target area. I did tell you that I expect a relief rally, and we're doing that at the moment. However, even though people are getting quite bullish already on XRP again, this is nothing too exciting in my view. We are still below this descending trend line, so you can draw a descending trend line down here, and you can see that we're actually still below that trend line. Have been rejected by the trend line now already, and you can see that here that trend line is sitting at pretty much where we are now, 92-93 cents. So we've been rejected by it. If we can get above it, then we could possibly build here to higher levels. At the moment though, I would primarily expect that we come down once more, especially as after today's move we are getting close to overbought levels here. For example, let's take a look here on the 1 hour chart. We have been already in the overbought range on the 1 hour chart, even though not massively, but we did. On the 4 hour we are on our way into the overbought range. Nevertheless, it's looking good, but nothing that was unexpected. So I talked about that relief rally here, and I would still if you zoom out and look at those what we've done here, it still looks quite bearish, sort of. So we've had this wave A, the wave B to the upside, and the wave C target level exactly achieved here, the 0.887. Primarily my view would be actually that we would come down once more into the target area, especially because we've only been in there very briefly. So I would expect that we come down once more, maybe fill that wick here that we had on here. So we could go all the way down to around 61 cents again. And I think I did, for all channel members, I did put some buy orders now in place for here. Everybody who did it at the time already when I talked about my target area again is now in the plus, on the plus side here. But I would expect we come down once more into the target area. That's primarily the expectation, unless we really can break above this trend line here and maybe get above the next fib level at 96 cents. Then we need to relook at it. But really, I think this downtrend is really only broken as soon as we get above the $1.02 area. This is that previous high here from the 30th of November. We can get above that and we can talk about an impulse to the upside. At the moment though, that is that relief rally that I talked about, where we are having here possibly an A, B, C, and we would now continue that impulse further to the downside. And I would expect here a level of 61 cents, in the worst case even 50 cents. If we drop below that, then we need to look at completely new wave count, and then we need to zoom out and really look at a larger correction that we are in. I don't hope that will happen, because as soon as we've completed this one here, this ABC, I would expect another turnaround and strong moves to the upside here for XRP Ripple. So yeah, in summary, still below that trend line, still sort of bearish from my side here, unless we can really break above this trend line and the next fib level, and also here the $1.02 level to the upside. Until then, I would expect us to come down back into the yellow target area once more. That could be filled, or a buy order could be placed if you want to. No financial advice, that's up to you, but I placed some buy orders in this target area that will then be filled, and I would expect that we go up from here. That's at the moment what I see in the chart. Again, no promise, no financial advice or anything, just what I see in the charts, and it has been accurate because we have come into the target area. Talked about the relief rally, which we have seen, so I would now expect a move down from here, personally. So that's my view. Hope you liked the update video about Ripple XRP. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.